Kaya dito ang isa sa kanilang inag-iingatan ay ang kanilang buhok. Sino po? You can raise hand or say me sa chat box that you really take care of your hair or it's something that you wanna take good care. Yan, so raise of hand. Yes. Because this evening po, it's one of the products na mabilis po talaga and lagi po in-order sa amin. So I want to share about our hair care system or our hair care product, but I will be focusing on a product that is really close to me because I've experienced its benefits and I want to share it with you as well. So let me share po my so okay. So for the hair care. So usually may mga tao na ka-experience or they've been experiencing some hair problems. So when we were younger, we don't notice, but when we get older, we notice a difference in our hair. Sometimes it gets dry and frizzy. When it gets dry and frizzy, there are some causes like overwashing. We use heat styling, yung pang plants or pang curl, or we've experienced coloring our hair already, or our environment. It's one of the factor. Or in general, with our busy schedule, hindi na natin siya talaga na alagaan or lack of hair care. So sometimes I remember my lola, my grandma would often buy hair spa and then she would apply it on her hair and then she would wear a hair cap and then afterwards she would rinse it. So to keep her hair less dry and frizzy. So I always see her do that. So it's part of her hair care routine. But if we don't have that time, extra time to do that, so it can result to dry hair and frizzy hair. Sometimes we get oily scalp or dandruff. So dandruff doesn't mean na baka hindi kasi natin nahugasan mabuti yung buhok. So it can, one reason can be we are sensitive to some hair products that we're using. Or naturally, our scalp just produce too much natural or oil, which is called sebum. So we often change shampoos. So I think na-experience din lang pong going to one shampoo to another just to find something that suits our needs. So another reason because of changing shampoos or changing your treatments that you apply on your hair, it also results to thinning or hair fall. So aside from that, it can be weather, genetic, or hormonal changes or hormonal imbalance. Like what I mentioned earlier, it can be one reason can be as we get older, of course, our body changes. So most of the women that got pregnant, they're losing their hair. Some men who are getting older also lose their hair. So there are some reasons. And one po yung mga tao na mahilig din mag-style ng hair, yan din yung isang pwedeng reason. But we cannot sacrifice the joy it brings when we style our hair. We want to color our hair. We want to look pretty. We want to look beautiful. So there are some products available in the market. But how can we avoid this or prevent this from happening? We want to enjoy. We want to look presentable. And aside from our face, ang sa titingnan ng mga tao ay ating buhok. So here are some tips that we can do is to one, stay hydrated, at least 2 liters of water every day. As much as possible, let us try to manage our stress and as well as having a balanced diet. You know, now ang sarap kumain and then with the busy time that we have, usually pag wala nang time magluto, fast food ang ating pinupuntahan. But as much as possible, let us have a balanced diet and manage stress. Next one is to have our hair regularly washed. And let's use mild sulfate-free shampoo to remove dirt, oil, and some products built up. And of course, we have to choose our products wisely. So there's a lot of products in the market, especially punta ka sa hair section ng supermarket, isang buong aisle yon, puro hair care products with from one company but they carry different brands. So different products for hair if you want to curl your hair. If your hair is curly, there's a product for you. If your hair has color, there's another product for you. If your hair is dry, frizzy, there's a product for you. So all your concerns, there are different products. But the product that I'm going to share with you is this product with all your concerns na, or all the concerns that you have, you can use this product and you will really benefit from it. So this hair care product is very gentle. That so the one that I'm gonna introduce with you, it is free from harsh chemicals and fragrances because it's a herbal shampoo. So when you're gonna look into a product, you have to check its ingredients, its pH balance, and its gentleness. Next, of course, its packaging. Is it convenient? Is it in a convenient container? Is it economical? Is it hygienic? Is it easier because when you pump one on a bigger bottle, minsan napapalakas yung squeeze mo, dumadami yung product. So, lahat yung na-apply sa hair mo, which is pwedeng enough or not enough, pwedeng sobra sa need mo for your hair. And of course, the value for money. So you have to check the products that you're gonna use based on its value, its price point, size, and performance. So like what I mentioned, the product that I will introduce to you is really sure that it will give you the value of your money. So this product, its ingredients are gentle. It balances the pH balance in our hair. Its packaging, very nice. And it's the value for money, you can really say na sulit yung bayad ko. Sulit yung pera binili ko for this product. So, ingredients and gentleness. So, let's focus on this one. The products that we have, or the one I'm going to introduce to you, has 26 herbal extracts. Oriental herbal extracts and herbal extracts. So, all these products in one product. Sorry, all these ingredients in one product. So, this group of ingredients in this product help promote hair growth and scalp health. The next set is for nourishing and conditioning the hair. So it is rich in vitamins and minerals. It helps reduce dryness and it moisturizes our scalp and it has the anti-inflammatory properties and promotes hair growth and reducing hair loss. Next set of ingredients, scalp soothing properties. So aside from the hair, they also focus on our scalp. So it also gives that anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and then helps scalp irritation, soothe scalp irritation, and reduce inflammation. So another set, this set or this pair of ingredients is for cleansing and clarifying properties. So again, it has an antimicrobial properties. It helps cleanse and purify the scalp to reduce dandruff and scalp irritation. Another set, it is rich in vitamins and minerals too. It helps our hair hydrate, reduce its dryness, and promotes shine. Its pH level is enough to have that balance. So it's in between 5.1 to 6.1, so mildly acidic. So it helps protect the scalp from various external elements and helps strengthen the scalp barrier for our hair. So this is for the shampoo. And for the conditioner, it's at uh, 6 to 7 mildly acidic. So same, it helps strengthen the scalp barrier for our hair. So the packaging looks like this. So isang pump, enough na siya pag short ang hair, I believe. But if your hair is thick and long, at least 2 to 3, but it's highly concentrated, so you can foam it on your hands like how we use the foam cleanser, and then you later on massage it on your wet hair. So I would advise that you leave it at least a minute or two. You would feel the cooling effect on your scalp. And the value for money. Like what I mentioned, if you go to the supermarket, you would see a lot of hair care products. There's one product for one specific need that you need for your hair. But with the product that we have, it can address mostly of the hair concerns or hair problems. So I want to share some products that's available in the market. One, if you're looking for a high quality anti-hair fall product, you have to get three products. But these three products, when you use it, you have to use it all at the same time. So shampoo, conditioner, then there is like a serum, and then a mask. And one shampoo and conditioner costs 4,350 pesos. Only for anti-hair fall. Wala pa po yung for dryness or frizzy hair to leave your hair shiny. Wala. Just for anti-hair fall. And it's 1,590 pesos. And then you have a hair mask that costs 1,150 pesos. It's so expensive for me. And then, ang benefit na makuha ko ay one for anti-hair fall lang. Next, for damage or damaged hair, dry, and frizzy hair. So, one product would cost you 2,350 pesos. And this hair mask in the middle would cost you 4,000 pesos. And then a set, at the little bottles, it would just cost you 4,900 pesos. Wow. So, for mini minimum, right? The wage earner person, and would you spend this much? So, you need extra sideline para ma-afford yung ganitong kamahal na product for just one hair concern. Opo. Next naman, this one for itchy scalp and flakes. It would cost you 3,300 pesos. So, just this set, 3,300 pesos. But our product, this one, our very wonderful Atomy Herbal Shampoo, Herbal Conditioner, our Atomy Salmodan Hair Tonic, and our Atomy Herbal Treatment would just cost you 2,200 pesos at member price. Would you compare it to the others? If you need all these hair care products because you have all of these concerns with your hair, it would cost you 10,000 pesos. But with our Atomy hair care line, especially the herbal line, we will just need to spend 2,200 pesos at members price. And you will get TVs. So at 17,700 point value in total. So this is what's available, I think, mostly in all the Atomy websites in all over the world, in the 60 countries. Available po lahat ito. So if you're looking for a product that would support hair growth, that would give your hair shine and volume, less of the tangleness, this is the product, this is the set that's perfect for you. And you will really receive the benefit and the value of your money. But aside from that, there are also other hair care products that's also available in our shopping mall. Can be available on your website where you are, or you can purchase it at Atomy Global Shopping Mall. So we have one, the Stop Hair Set. It's really focused on the scalp health, while the Atomy Protein Intensive Shampoo, if you are using treatments on your hair, you like styling, this one is perfect for you, especially if you're bleaching your hair or if you have colored hair. And then if you really want to have that how do you call this? Nice, wonderful hair, aside from using the herbal shampoo, we have one for you, the Atomy Absolute Shampoo, Conditioner, and Treatment. They also give you the same benefit of using the herbal shampoo, but way better because it's the Atomy Absolute line already. And recently, this product is really focused on our hair growth. It's the Atomy Root Vital Shampoo. So it has the shampoo and then the hair pack mask for the scalp, and there's an ampule. So sa mga napanood ko pong product introduction for their Atomy Root Vital Shampoo, what technology that they use in the Atomy Cell Active Skincare, when you use the product, they target the specific concern of your skin on your face. It goes the same with the Atomy Root Vital Hair Shampoo. So straight to the concern of your hair, and it promotes definitely hair growth. So we have these products available that would be available for you whatever your hair concern is. So aside from that, aside from the shampoo, of course, if you'd like styling your hair, here are some products that I would also recommend. If you like curling your hair, you use the curling essence. Mas napapatagal daw po yung pagka-curl ng inyong buhok pag gumamit kayo nito. So it would stay longer, it would be more curly and beautiful. And if you want to style your hair and protect your hair from styling for everyday use, you can use the Silk Protein Hair Essence and the Atomy Hair Essential Oil. So if it's not available on your Atomy website, you can check your Atomy Global Mall. So I would like to share some testimonies. One is from my brother, Ramon. He used the Atomy herbal shampoo for few days and then nawala yung kanyang dandruff. And then of course me, very concerned is my hair fall. I remember meron po akong roommate noon, lagi niyang sinasabi sa akin. Because we have a common bathroom. So, share kami. Sabi niya sa akin palagi, Therese, are you alright? Like, why? What's the matter? Because every time I take a shower, I always see our bin full of hair. Are you okay? Sabi niya sa akin na gano'n. Yes, I'm okay. I'm fine. Ba't madami mong hair po? Lagi niya sinasabi sa akin. So, at the back of my mind, oo nga, no, I've been changing shampoo, but it doesn't address my concern. But trying Atomy na lessen yung hair fall ko and my hair feels healthy all the time. So I've been using this for more than a year now and I really love it. So aside from that, my friend, she's been using Sangodan Hair Tonic. So yung sa may hairline po niya sa may forehead. So nandami na po siyang baby hair. And then on the right side, my mom, she's also using the Absolute Hair Care Shampoo and the hair tonic. And she just like showing her hair every time we talk. She enjoys it so much. She loves it. So her concern also is hair fall. So next is our family friend. So my tita, my aunt, she likes it kasi yung po bang ang tagal ng stay ng color sa hair niya. And then pag nag-shampoo daw siya, nag-grow yung hair niya after shampoo, she feels like her hair becomes brownish and magaan sa buhok. So next one is her husband. Meron daw po siyang itchiness scalp and then sometimes like may dandruff siya. So, ang concern nila laging kinakamot daw po ni Tito until to the point na nagsusugat. So, they tried our Atomy shampoo. Additional, but before that, when he doesn't grow his hair, lagi daw po siya nagpapakalbo kasi nga because of that concern, because of that dandruff. So now that they're using the Atomy shampoo, na-lessen na yung itchiness ng scalp niya, nawala yung dandruff. Now he grows his hair back. And then recently, I've shared the shampoo to a family friend. So this is a result of 1 month using our Atomy shampoo and conditioner. So this was his picture po before. Yan, on the left, can really see na ang nipis po nito. Nipis. Pero dun sa after, mas lumago po yung buhok banda dito. So, ang funny nga po ng kwento na to because he's working abroad. He's working in UAE. Sabi po niya dun sa wife niya, Ma, nasa na yung shampoo? Baka makalimutan mo. Paubos na yung shampoo ko. So, yun po nga yung tita ko. Na-remind na ako na bilhan siya ng dalhin yung shampoo sa kanila kasi nga po, baka maubos na. And may friend siya na uuwi sa Philippines na dadalhin yung shampoo puntang UAE. So, they're really happy using the shampoo. So, they are 4 in the family. 3 na po sa kanilang gumagamit ng shampoo and conditioner. Ano, 4 po pala, 4, including the mother of my aunt. So, they're really enjoying using the Atomy products that we have, especially the Atomy herbal shampoo and conditioner. So, you can really see the products are effective. They really give you the benefits. And it just shows to the testimony how wonderful the products are. So I hope that we can ask or we can really share the goodness of the Atomy herbal shampoo or other Atomy products and share its benefits to other people. Okay, we just shared it on our social media, how beautiful the products are and its effects on us, and it just ripple. So people have been asking me. Sometimes I have 3 people sending me message. Therese, I heard from this person that you're selling this shampoo. How much is it? How can I purchase it? Things like that. So it's really wonderful that you have a product that would address concerns of the people that you love. So that ends my presentation. Thank you.